Welcome, friends! Today, we will discuss a very important and informative topic: information technology, product, and focus on an invention motor starter and how to care for it. The starter motor is an incredible invention that has revolutionized the world of manufacturing and energy efficiency. Its function is to start the motor, which sometimes needs to be adjusted to achieve optimal efficiency. In this modern era, starter motors are a determining factor in energy efficiency in various sectors. From HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and manufacturing to generator sets and PLC power line communication. One of the most important tasks in motor starter maintenance is to carry out the correct settings. In the settings, there will be 3 modes that need to be identified, which we will describe below. 1. On mode. This mode is the ideal mode, where the starter will work to start the motorbike optimally. The on mode is also identified by the diode being disconnected and the collector winding being coordinated with the input power. 2. Standby mode. Standby mode is the default mode, which will be activated by a stable power input. Standby mode will continue to work to start the motor, which will result in overloading the diode and damage to the collector winding. 3. Fault mode. Fault mode is a mode that will be identified with an open collector winding and a coordinated diode. This mode will be triggered when the input power is unstable and will result in damage to the starter motor. So, how can we do the right settings? Here are some tips that will help. 1. Analyze lab data. Comprehensive lab tests will help to understand starter motor behavior and understand optimal settings. 2. Analyzing operational data. Real-time observation of the operational system will help to identify optimal settings. 3. Analyzing failure data. Observing the motor starter failure history will help to understand which settings are susceptible to failure. 4. Analyze maintenance data. Investigating maintenance history will help to understand which settings need to be evaluated. Remember, proper settings are the key to energy efficiency. And to achieve this, a deep understanding and knowledge of the starter motor and its behavior is paramount. Thank you for listening and good luck.